Hi guys, so I was asked to make some Christmas ruffles for someone and I thought I would make a few extra packs to go into my Etsy shop. I haven't made too many packs because I've got my left hand in a brace. So yeah, it kind of slowed me down. Anyway, I've made 6 packs in total, but 2 are reserved, so I'll only have 4 available in my Etsy shop. And these are all of them stacked together. Don't they look delicious? I always love how the ruffles look from the side. So yum yum. Anyway, let me show you what's in one of the packs. They're so big and fluffy, I can't fit them anywhere. Go there. Okay. So I've put 10 pages in a pack. And I've used the traditional Christmas colours. So green, red and yellow or gold. Whatever you want to call it. And mixed fabric between them. So this is one of the dyed yellow pages. And this one has some Christmas fabric. I don't know how well you can see the little pattern, but it's like little holly leaves with little berries, I think. I'm too blind. Yes, it is. I think this fabric may have come from Karen Munro a year ago or so. If not Karen Munro, it may have been Angel. She doesn't have a YouTube channel. Karen does. I'll put the link to her channel down below. But yeah, I can't recall. You know, I used to save all my Happy Mails in their original packaging, so when I used stuff I knew who it was. But then I found it's too hard to use it, you know, so I've started actually taking it out and putting it away. And some stuff I remember, but some I don't, sorry. So, yeah, if it was someone else that sent me this, I'm sorry. I can't remember. But it's really pretty Christmassy fabric. So I've got one yellow page with that fabric. Oh, so before I go on, there's 3 yellow pages, 3 red, 3 green, and 1 coffee dyed in each pack. And all the packs are the same. It's another yellow one with, oh, this looks brown on camera. It's actually like a shiny gold satiny material. So there's one with gold, yellow, red, and this fabric, it's hard to tell patterns on fabric when it's ruffled, but you can kind of see at the top. It's got little leaves and seed pods and flowers. But I thought it looked nice and Christmassy. Now, usually when I dye papers red, they kind of turn out, let me show you. They turn out pink. But this time I used a really old bottle of, where is it? Not here. It's an old bottle of drawing ink. And, oh my gosh, they came out super red, like Santa Claus red. I love them. They're a bit lighter on the back, but the front is quite dark red. I love them. I really love how it came out. So cool. They're still a little bit wrinkly because they've just been dyed in the past couple of days and I haven't put anything on top to flatten them. Anyway, so I've put a Christmas green ruffle. It's like a satin material as well. Put a yellow ruffle. So this is it's got a glittery, little glittery they're not sequins, but I don't know what they're called. But isn't it cute? I thought that was so Christmassy. They're so shiny and sparkly. It doesn't really show on camera. Maybe you can see it there a bit. And I've put 1 red page with lace. This lace, it's vintage lace, and I have a huge roll. And when I say huge, I mean it's like ginormous. I will show you on another video because I need to put something beside it to give you a sense of size. But anyway, it's vintage, and I'm not sure what it was used for, but it's white. The white is it's a bit of an off-white because it's really old fabric, and it's got a gold thread through it with little flowers. Why is it so dark in here today? I don't know. I've got the same lamp on. Yeah, my new craft room doesn't have natural light. There is a sliding glass door there, but because it's on the side of the house where it's not really much sun, I don't get a lot of natural light into my room. Because if you don't know, this was our old garage that we converted. So while I've got more lighting, it actually feels darker than my old room, which had, you know, big windows. Okay, there's 3 green pages. One has a red satin. The other has that green Christmas fabric. And this one has, it's red cotton fabric with little white flowers. And there's one coffee dyed page. They're quite heavily coffee dyed, and it's got Christmas fabric on it. You may not be able to tell, but they're little snowflakes on there. I know it's hard to tell patterns when it's ruffled. The backs of them, the fabric is sewn straight onto the page, so you can see the stitching at the back. Some of them are quite straight, like this one. Some of them are wonky, like this one. So you can see the stitching is wider here than it is down here. But it doesn't matter, they're junk journals. And they've got nice pulling pattern. Anyway, so that's one pack. Let me just show you quickly what's in a pack because I was talking too much. Isn't that gorgeous? I love the side view. Okay, so 1 coffee dyed, 3 green pages, 3 red pages, that's vintage lace, sparkly material, 3 yellow pages, so 10 pages all up. Okay, that's it, and yeah, only 4 packs are going into my Etsy because 2 are reserved for somebody, as I said, and I will be doing some more sewing projects, but maybe not ruffles because with my thumb strapped, I can't bend and fold the the fabric without taking my brace off, and I'm meant to be in it 24 hours other than showers and stuff, so it's a bit hard to ruffle. Anyway, those will be in my Etsy shop once this video is posted, and I'll be back because I've got lots of happy mail, a prize I won that I want to share, and I've been tagged 3 times in the 10 crafty questions. My first time 3 weeks ago, and I thought I would get out of it by not doing it, but I've been tagged twice since then, so I need to just sit down and do it. Anyway, so got a few videos coming up and a few little crafty ones. Sorry if I bombard you with a whole bunch in one day as well, but that's okay. You haven't seen a lot of me lately, so you can get a bit of an overdose of me. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.